Lean manufacturing for Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 is built on 4 pillars: mapping the lean organization, planning and scheduling, Kanban and pull-based execution, and costing for lean manufacturing. This video will focus on Kanban and pull-based execution. A Kanban is an essential part of a pull system of supply, which is a critical element in lean production and supply. Kanban rules are the supply policies for lean manufacturing. They are tied to production flows as the foundation that defines the lean manufacturing organization. Kanban rules can be set up to support a variety of make-to-stock and make-to-order scenarios. A Kanban of the type manufacturing is assigned to a process that adds value. The Kanban is linked to a production flow activity and thus a resource group with the role of a work cell. A Kanban with the type withdrawal creates a transfer job that is based on a transfer activity. Withdrawal Kanbans are used to move a Kanban of a specific item between supermarkets, warehouses, and production locations. Withdrawal Kanbans do not add value and do not get planned as manufacturing Kanbans do. Lean manufacturing in Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 introduces a new job and transaction framework that allows manufacturing without production orders. Multi-activity Kanbans. Lean manufacturing for AX 2012 introduces a new concept of Kanban flows that allows creating Kanban rules that span over multiple process activities. Lean manufacturing for AX 2012 introduces a complete new concept of integration of lean manufacturing into master planning. This concept is called the mixed mode. The mixed mode provides a full visibility of Kanban schedule to master planning. It provides a new component called a supply schedule, which reconciles lean and non-lean requirements. Finally, it introduces a new integration of capital promise based on the explosion and the work cell schedule. Learn more about the core concept of mixed mode in the core concept video on mixed mode scheduling. Lean manufacturing for AX 2012 introduces new visual user interfaces. These are the Kanban boards for scheduling, process, and transfer, the Kanban quantity overviews, the cycle time performance indicator, and of course the full barcode support. The Kanban architecture in Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 covers the complete spectrum from make-to-stock to make-to-order, configure-to-order scenarios. Kanban rules are used as supply policies and define the Kanban types and replenishment strategies. The replenishment strategies can be fixed quantity, which is a fixed number of Kanbans with a fixed product quantity that circulate between item source and point of consumption. Single-use Kanbans cover additional demand for fixed quantity Kanban rules. Scheduled. Kanbans are created based on planned orders from master scheduling or manually with variable quantity. Event Kanbans. There are multiple types of event Kanbans. Sales event. Kanbans are created for sales lines. Production bomb line event. Kanbans are created for bomb lines of production orders. Kanban line event. Kanbans are created for bomb lines of Kanbans. And finally, minimum stock event. Kanbans are created to cover demand from minimum stock. A production flow consists of process and transfer activities. The process of value stream mapping, applied according to the guidance of the Lean Enterprise Institute, results in a model of a future state value stream map. This result can be modeled in Microsoft Dynamics AX as a production flow version. Warehouses, supermarkets, picking and output locations are modeled in the Microsoft Dynamics AX inventory breakdown. The production flow as such is defined independent of a specific output product. However, product structures and BOM levels need to be considered when modeling the activities. For output products, semi-finished products, and consumed material, Kanban rules and lean scheduling groups model the individual behavior of the products in the production flow. The Kanban board for process jobs. The Kanban board for process jobs is the unified user interface for all production workers to Kanban manufacturing. The Kanban board for process jobs consists of a number of components. The job list. The central control on the Kanban board is the job list. It shows the process jobs assigned to a selected work cell in the scheduled sequence. The job list can be further restricted by view parameters of the job details. By restricting the number of displayed jobs, the operator is more focused on the sequence of the selected jobs. The job can be selected manually or automatically by the job list. By default, the next job in the sequence gets selected when the previous job has been completed. The manual selection can be done through mouse, keyboard, or scanner. The job details. Once a job has been selected in the job list, the details of the job are shown in the lower area. The Production Instructions tab displays a related document or picture that contains instructions or information related to the product or process for the machine operators. Job and job status registration. For each Kanban, one or multiple jobs are created, dependent of how many activities a Kanban is supposed to flow through. For each job, the Kanban board allows the registration of the following statuses. Prepare. The water spider has picked the material and prepared the handling unit for production. Start. The production process has been started. Complete. The production process has been completed. The only mandatory registration is complete. Prepare and start are automatically registered with the next higher level. The registration can either be done by pressing a button or by scanning the barcode of the Kanban cards. The picking list. When one or multiple jobs are selected, the picking list displays the sum of material to pick for the selected jobs. The on-hand status is displayed for the picking list lines and show the availability of material. The picking list can be printed as a separate document. Packing. When using Kanban line events to pull material to a work cell, the created Kanbans are displayed in the Packing tab. The packing overview shows the Kanbans needed for selected jobs and the handling unit status of the packed Kanbans. The barcode mode. To use the barcode feature, select the barcode mode in the action pane. When using a barcode or RFID scanner, the Registration Fast tab should be open to see the scanned Kanban card IDs. Wrong or unreadable card IDs can be manually corrected or typed in. The finished goods overview. The Kanban quantity overview controls give you a visual indication of the on-hand, supply and demand status of a Kanban rule related to the selected work cells. The finished goods overview displays the Kanban rules for products that are supplied by this work cell. For each Kanban rule, all active jobs are shown, sorted by job status. Shortages can be spotted at a glance. The minimum alert quantity. If a Kanban rule does not have enough completed, started, or planned Kanban jobs, the background of the minimum alert quantity is turned red. If a planned Kanban job is overdue, it gets a time alert symbol. The Kanban rules are sorted by urgency. The most urgent Kanban rule is displayed on top of the overview. The shop floor supervisor can use the quantity overview control to plan or sequence incoming jobs based on the urgency and priorities. The water spider and machine operators can decide on the sequence of execution based on possible shortages or alerts. The Kanban quantity overview for material. The Kanban quantity overview for material displays the Kanban rules that are supplying material that is consumed by the selected work cell. The shop floor workers get an overview of the supply situation and the on-hand in the supermarkets and take priority and picking decisions. Learn more about lean manufacturing for AX 2012 in the core concepts and the white papers published on lean manufacturing.